In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable shortcut keys in Google Sheets, a handy tool to boost your productivity and efficiency when working with spreadsheets. Let's dive right in and explore how succinctly and easily we can make our Google Sheets experience even more seamless. First, open a Google Sheet. This can be an existing sheet you're currently working on or a brand new one you've just created. The Google Sheets platform is accessible through your web browser and is part of Google's productivity suite. Once you have your sheet open, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the toolbar located at the top of your screen. You'll notice various options here that will assist in managing your spreadsheet. Next, direct your attention to the top menu and click on Help. This step is straightforward but essential. The Help option is designed to offer you support and guidance, and it also serves as the gateway to enabling our shortcut keys. By opening this menu, you'll be introduced to a range of options that can enhance your use of Google Sheets. Once you've accessed the Help menu, click on Keyboard Shortcuts. This option is crucial. Google Sheets includes a plethora of shortcuts, which are time-saving commands that allow you to perform common tasks without having to navigate through multiple menus. Believe me, once activated, these shortcuts will become second nature as you interact with your spreadsheets. After selecting Keyboard Shortcuts, the next step is to enable what is known as the Compatible Spreadsheet Shortcuts. By clicking on this, you will activate a set of familiar keyboard commands reminiscent of those used in other spreadsheet applications. This feature is particularly user-friendly as it allows you to transition smoothly if you're accustomed to using shortcuts in other software. Following this, you'll need to click on the Slide in Toggle button. This toggle acts as a switch to enable or disable these shortcuts, making it highly user-friendly. Toggle it to the active position, and you're done. Now your spreadsheet is equipped with a rich tapestry of shortcuts designed to make your work in Google Sheets more efficient and enjoyable. Finally, let's put these shortcuts to the test. For demonstration purposes, highlight rows 10 to 12 in your sheet. You can do this by clicking and dragging over the rows you wish to highlight. Here comes the exciting part. Using your keyboard, press Ctrl plus the minus sign. This combination will swiftly delete the selected rows, showcasing the power of these shortcuts in action. And that's it. With these steps, you've successfully enabled and tested keyboard shortcuts in Google Sheets. Enjoy the newfound efficiency and let these handy commands become a staple in your spreadsheet endeavors. Thank you for watching and happy spreadsheet managing.